Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are with a brand new video. Thanks to this site, you can both earn money and get followers on your social media accounts. The best part is that you can add it in shortening the link. We register on the site. Log in to the site after registration is complete. We are doing Here are site events.
Read here carefully. This is the social market where you can get the service you want in exchange for money. You can carefully read and confirm here. Here you can buy game currency for money. Don't forget to get your daily reward here. The more you work on the site, the more coins you earn. Here you fill in whatever task you want to do and you print it off. Here you will see the tasks you have added. You can add a link shortener by fulfilling the necessary conditions here. Approved and unapproved link are seen below. Activity section.
Here shows your referral earnings. You can earn more by calling your friends with your referral link. Used for support. You have a level system too. If you say you don't have time, you can deposit money here. This is the place to withdraw money, guys. Here you turn your coins into cash. We earn coins by doing the tasks here. You can withdraw these coins as money, or you can improve your social media accounts. Let us do some task for you. Now let me give you an example of how to watch a video and earn credits. Yes, I got it. You saw the credit. Yes, friends, I am showing the section that earns the most credits. If you do the tasks here, you will earn credits faster. Please subscribe to my channel, open notifications, like and share. Take care of yourself, and don't forget to like the video for the continuation of such videos.